Alright. Welcome back, folks. Welcome back to another exciting, awesome, spectacular episode of Let's Build a Deck. Alright, so, we have various ones that I've been storing in here because this thing is cool as hell. And why not use it? Why not use it? We already bought it, so. In today's episode, we will be going over the power-up. Yes, indeed. What do we want to talk about first? Oh, well, I sure hope everyone's having a fantastic day, or a fantastic night, whatever it is where you are in this world. Hope you're having a positive time. And, if you're not, well, hopefully this guy's videos here can cheer you up. Yes, sirree, Bob. Also, we're creeping up close to that 100 sub giveaway. We've been keeping that a secret because we don't want to gain subs for the giveaway. We want to give it away because of the subs. So, once we get to 100 subs, we will be posting that up, and it's pretty cool. The missus has been keeping her eyes open and picking some cool stuff. So, stay tuned for that. Instagram, we have one going up at 200 followers actually, which may or may not be already going or done when this is up. So, again, be sure to check that out. What else? If you hear any humming or whatnots in the background, it's because I got a heater going behind me, because, excuse me, it's a little chilly in the studio. Yes it is. Canada's great for that in the wintertime. We're currently sitting in an ice storm right now, so that's fun. Anywho, we got code card here, which we are giving less out of right now until more people start, thanking us, at least. Show some appreciation. At least let someone know that you collected the card. Anything would be cool. So, until then, we will be giving most of them out on Instagram. Because, well, people actually thank us on there and show a bit more appreciation. So, there will be a code card for you guys at some point in time through this video. I'm not going to tell you when, because I don't want you to jump to it and then leave. So, if you want a code card, be sure to stay tuned. If you don't want a code card and you're just here to learn and have fun and, well, just have fun. Yeah, that's all. Because that's what we do here on the channel. We have a lot of fun. We hang out. We have one big happy family. Yes, sirree. Alright, enough chatting, Mr. Sagerf. Let's get to it. So, in this deck, we have a strategy of powering up your Pokemon. As it says in the title. Most of the strategy is based on helping get energies for each of your Pokemon, or searching for energies, or in some way or another powering up your Pokemon. So, without further ado, I think we need to get into this. Yes we do. Alright. We're going to start this off with a Wata energy. Now we have a Draw energy. So, the cool thing about the Draw energy, provides one colorless energy, and when you attach this card from your hand to a Pokemon, you get to draw a card. Everybody likes drawing cards, unless you're low in cards, in which case you probably don't want to draw any more cards. Another Wata energy. We have a Gladion. So look at your face down prize cards and put one of them into your hand, then shuffle this Gladion into your remaining prize cards and put them back face down. If you didn't play this Gladion from your hand, it does nothing. Oh, nothing. Alright, we got a Darmanitan. That's what we're going with. Darmanitan. So it's in here for Find Wildfire. So it lets you search your deck for up to 3 fire energy cards, reveal them, and put them into your hand, then shuffle your deck. Pokemon. We'll put them down there. We have an Absol. So, Absol, it's in here for, I guess Future Sight, I guess. So look at the top 4 cards of either player's deck, put them back in any order. Handy dandy if you want to switchy things around. Yeah. We got a Paris. So some of these are in here for pre-evolutions, other evolutions, fillers, whatever be the case. Alright, we got Switch, because switching your Pokemon is also very handy, especially with some of them high retreat costs. Alright, we got a Fire Energy. Burning it up in here. That's right. That's right. We've got a card I pulled out. There we go. Cynthia and Caitlin. Alright, so put a supporter card from your discard pile into your hand. You can't choose Cynthia and Caitlin or a card that you discarded with the effects of this card. When you play this card, you may discard another card from your hand, and if you do, draw 3 cards. That one's really useful, especially with the strategy in this deck. Some of the cards let you discard fire energy cards, and then some of the other Pokemon in here help you pull those right back out of the discard, so they kind of work hand in hand together. As you'll see with some of the cards in a minute. We got fire energy. We got a Cherish Ball, because again, you want to go searching for that there GX Pokemon and get it out there quickly. Very quickly. And we have a Blastoise and Piplup. Love this card. Beautiful, beautiful card. It's in here for Splash Maker, so you may attach up to 3 water energy cards from your hand to your Pokemon in any way you like. If you do, heal 50 damage from those Pokemon for each card you attach to them in this way. Booyah! Alright, that's right. Talk about healing. That's cool, that's cool. Alright, so we have a Heat Factory. This is one of the ones I was talking about. So, once during each player's turn, that player may discard a fire energy card from their hand. If they do, they draw 3 cards. Whenever any player plays an item or supporter card from their hand, prevent all effects of that card done to this stadium card. Pretty handy. Pretty handy. A lot of them are for getting lots of cards and powering up your Pokemon, searching for them energies, pulling them back out of the discard. Powering up, folks. Powering up. We got a Parasect. So, again, it's not in here for Paris, but it's in here for Parasect. Choose 3 of your Pokemon. For each of those Pokemon, search your deck for a different type of basic energy card and attach it to that Pokemon. Shuffle your deck afterwards. So that was Colorful Spores, which I forgot to mention. Love this deck. This deck works pretty well. So, Welder, attach up to 2 fire energy cards from your hand to one of your Pokemon. If you do, draw 3 cards. Lots of card drawing in this deck. Lots of card drawing. So we got a Grass Energy. We have a Special Electric Energy, so Flash Energy it's called. This card can only be attached to electric Pokemon. This card provides electric energy only while this card is attached to an electric Pokemon. The electric Pokemon this card is attached to has no weakness. If this card is attached to anything other than an electric Pokemon, discard this card. So for instance, some of the Pokemon that start off electric and evolve into something different. We got a Semi-Seer. That's what I do to my steaks. So we got it in here for Flare Recharge. Attach a fire energy card from your discard pile to one of your benched Pokemon. So all them ones you've been throwing away, boom, coming back out. I am messing things up. I'm putting things all over the place. There we go. Alright, so we got Brock's Grit. Again, love this card. It's in a lot of decks. Shuffle 6 in any combination of Pokemon and basic energy cards from your discard pile into your deck. Excuse me. Fighting Fury Belt. So the basic Pokemon this card is attached to gets 40 HP and its attacks do 10 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon. There's a lot of basics, especially with GXs and stuff nowadays. We have a Raikou. So again, Raikou, we got him in here for Booming Thunder. Lightning and the Thunder. Attach a Lightning energy card from your discard pile to one of your benched Pokemon. That sounds pretty cool. Love not having to waste energies. So all them ones going into the discard, wham, they're coming back. So we have a Electric Energy here with a little bit of dirt on it by the looks of it, of course. We have a Water Energy. We have an Escape Board. The retreat cost of the Pokemon this card is attached to is 1 less, and it can retreat even if it's asleep or paralyzed. Handy, handy, handy. The Missus has a couple cards that like to continuously paralyze me, which is so annoying. So annoying. But it's a great strategy. We have a Grass Energy. We have a Lana's Fishing Rod. Shuffle a Pokemon and Pokemon Tool card from your discard pile into your deck. We have a potion to let you heal 30 damage from one of your Pokemon, just in case. Just in case it's a little hurting. I mean, we can't have them there Pokemon hurting. That's rude. It's rude. We have a switch. Again, letting us switch them Pokemon. Wham! Alright. We got a fire energy. And, of course, we got a roller skater. Just dashing along there. Wa-chow, wa-chow. Discard a card from your hand. If you do, draw 2 cards. If you discarded an energy card in this way, draw 2 more cards. Ooh. Ah. Alright. Another Semi-Seer. We got an Execute. Looking pretty cute. And also afraid that the Spearow is coming in to eat it. We got a Kyogre. This one is in here for high water. Attach 2 water energy cards from your discard pile to one of your Pokemon. Very cool. Very cool. We got a Great Ball. So, look at the top 7 cards of your deck. You may reveal a Pokemon you find there and put it into your hand. Shuffle the other cards back into your deck. Oh, and we pulled an Alolan Exeggutor! No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. But no, we got an Alolan Exeggutor GX. This card's pretty cool, too. So, this one's in here for multiple things. Tropical Head. Attack does 20 damage times the amount of energy attached to this Pokemon to one of your opponent's Pokemon. And then it's also in here for Tower Go Round GX. Move any number of energy from your Pokemon to your other Pokemon in any way you like. Very, very handy. Of course, another Execute. Need him to get to that Exeggutor, yes we do. We have a Water Energy. We have a Panseer. We have a Heatran GX. Boom. That's right. That's right. So it's in here for its ability. Once during your turn, when this Pokemon moves from your bench to become your active Pokemon, you may move any number of fire energy from your other Pokemon to it. So by doing that, you can really, really power up for Hot Burn GX, which does 50 damage times the amount of fire energy attached to this Pokemon. Very cool when you have a deck built on powering up. We have a Fiery Flint. So you can play this card only if you discard 2 other cards from your hand. Search your deck for up to 4 fire energy cards, reveal them and put them into your hand, then shuffle your deck. So again, a lot of these are working together for discarding or finding those fire cards so you can power up. Power up! Like the Rangers. So we have a Paris. We got a Shauna. So shuffle your hand into your deck, then draw 5 cards. A Grass Energy. A Water Energy. We have a Pokemon Communication. Reveal a Pokemon from your hand and put it into your deck. If you do, search your deck for a Pokemon, reveal it, and put it into your hand. Then, shuffle your deck. Always gotta shuffle your deck. Alright, well before we go too far, we gotta get this going. Don't want to wait till the end of the video. Don't want it at the beginning of the video. I want it in between. So, I'll be nice. I won't cut this one in half like I've been doing on Instagram. And I won't throw them into a fire. So, I'll give them to you guys. Because I know, deep down inside, you guys have some generosity. All I want is just a thank you, you know, or just letting someone know that you've collected it. Spread that kindness, spread that generosity. Takes 2 seconds, and it'll really make someone's day, I promise you. Alright, so there we go. That has been given away. She done. Over there. Alright. Let's get into her. Hopefully you didn't just leave because you got a code card. I mean, I like to show you cool stuff. I like to share it with you guys. We got a Miltank. So, it's in here for its ability, Moo Moo Molt. As long as this Pokemon is your active Pokemon, whenever you attach an energy card from your hand to one of your Pokemon, you get to heal 90 damage from that Pokemon. 90. That's right. 9 and a 0. Alright. We have a Lily. So, Lily lets you draw cards until you have 6 cards in your hand. If it's your first turn, draw cards until you have 8 cards in your hand. Yeah, that's right. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we have a Tropius. Tropius is pretty cool. So search your deck for a grass energy card and attach it to one of your Pokemon, then shuffle your deck. Yeah, not sure if I just said that or not. Synthesis. I was in the middle of a thought at the same time. I mean, way to go, Mr. Sagrove. Think and talk at the same time. Alright, we have a grass energy. We have a Penseer. We have a fire energy. Also, we have a double colorless energy. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We also have a dark energy. And also, I'm gonna surprise the people that thought they were only getting one code card. Yeah, there you go, guys. So there's another one. Love you guys. Appreciate yous all. Even the ones that aren't staying long enough to watch, even the ones that aren't commenting. I mean, we love and appreciate yous all. We just wish yous would stay a little bit longer so we can get to know yous all. I mean, we have such an awesome community, awesome family here, and we just want yous to be a part of it. So, feel welcomed. You're always welcomed here at Team Sagrove. Whether you're here for a code card or not, just show a little appreciation, that's all, guys. Alright, there you go. Let's get into it. So, dark energy. We got a Darumaka. We got a grass energy. We got a Pokemon Fan Club. So, search your deck for up to 2 basic Pokemon, reveal them and put them into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. And we've got a Guzma and Hala. So search your deck for a Stadium card, reveal it, and put it into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. When you play this card, you may discard 2 other cards from your hand. If you do, you may also search for a Pokemon Tool card and a special energy card in this way. Also really handy. And we are finishing it off with a Tapu Fini GX. So, this one's really cool. Don't think it's in here for any of its power-up abilities. I have it in here for its Tapu Storm GX. So, shuffle your opponent's active Pokemon and all cards attached to it into their deck. If your opponent has no bench Pokemon, this attack does nothing. Useful for removing some of them high tag team Pokemon that the opponent, Miss Sagrove, likes to start off with sometimes. So, there we go. Pretty cool. Hopefully you guys had fun. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I taught you something. This is where we like to go in depth on some of the cards that we pull. That way, you know, you guys want to know a little bit more about them, we'll tell you a little bit more about them. Yeah. So, hopefully, there's still quite a few of you left in the video after, you know, the code card. I know the loyal ones, you're all here. And we love and appreciate each and every one of you, and you guys are all gonna end up getting something very, very cool in the mail. Just as a little thank you, because, you know, we love the support you guys have been giving ever since we started. So, I'm gonna stop ranting. I'm gonna stop just going on and on and on and on and on, because that's what I do sometimes. And, I have a couple more videos to record, so I think I'm gonna get to that. And, yeah. Hope you all are having a fantastic night. Hopefully, everyone enjoyed. And if you did, great. If you didn't, great. Leave a dislike, leave a like, no matter what. But anyways, till next time, stay awesome, keep positive, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.